Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi is all set to embark on a two-day visit to Russia to attend the 22nd India-Russia Annual Summit. Now, the visit beginning on July 8th is Prime Minister Modi's first visit since the Russia-Ukraine war began in February 2022. Now, the timing of this visit is very interesting. The meeting comes at the same time when NATO countries are going to meet in the United States from July 9th to July 11th, and the focus of that meet is the ongoing Russia-Ukraine war. However, New Delhi has clarified that Prime Minister's Russia visit is only for bilateral purposes and also reiterated India's stance that a solution to this conflict must involve both the parties. So what's on Prime Minister Modi's itinerary and what's the agenda of this visit? Prime Minister Narendra Modi will reach Moscow late afternoon on Monday, that is July 8th. He is then scheduled to attend a private dinner hosted by the Russian President Vladimir Putin. A day later, he is going to meet the Indian diaspora as he does on his most international visits. He is also going to lay wreath at the tomb of the unknown soldier in Kremlin and visit an exhibition venue in Moscow showcasing advancements by the Russian nuclear corporation. And thereafter comes the most important part, the bilateral and the delegation level talks. So what are the two leaders going to discuss? The bilateral meet is set to cover a range of issues including economic cooperation, defense, investment, education, culture and people-to-people ties. But two issues stand out. The most pressing matter that will be taken up in this visit is the early discharge of 30 to 40 Indian nationals who, on the pretext of lucrative employment opportunities, have been misled into joining the Russian army, and now they find themselves on the battlefield. Remember, 4 Indians have been killed in the war so far. Another matter that Prime Minister Modi is going to take up is of resolving the growing trade deficit between the two countries. You see, India-Russia trade witnessed a sharp increase in the period between 2023 to 2024. But India's imports amounted to around 60 billion, whereas India's exports amounted to just 4 billion. So New Delhi hopes to correct this by pushing exports across different sectors, including farm, technology, pharmaceuticals and services. Now, following this, Prime Minister Modi will be leaving for Vienna on Tuesday. He is the first Indian Prime Minister to visit Austria in more than 41 years. This comes after Indira Gandhi's visit in 1983. On that visit, Prime Minister Modi will be discussing trade and the larger question of how to broaden the scope of India-Austria partnership. So that's it on the upcoming visit of Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi. For more such videos, stay tuned to India Today Global.